Synchrony Bank TJX Rewards Credit Card App. The pros, the cons. If you shop regularly at TJX stores like TJX, Marshalls or Home Goods, the Synchrony Bank TJX Rewards Credit Card App promises to make tracking your points and rewards simple, but how well does it actually perform? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming you need to check paper statements or in-store receipts. With the app, you can instantly view your point balance, recent transactions, and available offers. The app also allows you to redeem points for discounts on future purchases, making it easy to maximize rewards. Another advantage is security. The app supports secure login, digital card management, and alerts for suspicious activity, giving peace of mind when shopping online or in-store. Users can also update personal information, view statements, and manage payments directly from the app. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app occasionally lags or fails to update point balances in real time. Additionally, it's only useful for TJX cardholders, and features like personalized offers may be limited compared to other rewards programs. Customer support through the app is also not always immediately responsive. In conclusion, the Synchrony Bank TJX Rewards Credit Card App is a practical tool for shoppers who want quick access to points balances and offers. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines rewards tracking, it may feel limited for those looking for advanced features or faster updates. For regular TJX shoppers who want a simple, secure way to manage their rewards and transactions, this app delivers, but don't expect it to replace full-feature banking apps or rewards platforms.